Hello everyone, welcome to TechGists. Today we are diving into an important topic that affects all of us in this life. Essential digital skills for beginners. Whether you are looking to start a new job, boost your productivity, or simply keep up with technology, this is for you. Why are digital skills so important today? Well, think about it. Everything from job application to shopping, learning and staying connected with loved ones happens online. Digital skills are no longer an option, but they are essential for navigating this modern life. Now, let's break it down into key digital skills every beginner should learn. Number 1, basic computer skill. Turning and using the computer, typing efficiently, navigating the operating systems like the Windows platform and the Mac OS. Number 2, using the internet, that is, browsing websites safely. Number 2, details or doing research on Google. Number 3, email communication, that is, creating and managing an email account, sending professional emails, and collaboration. Number 4, we want to look at Microsoft Office and Google Workspace, that is basics of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and also using Google Docs and Google Sheets for collaboration. Number 5, social media basics. Creating profiles on platforms like Facebook and LinkedIn, and also trying to understand the privacy settings. Cybersecurity awareness, that is recognizing phishing emails, setting strong passwords, and enabling two-factor authentication. We want to also look at cloud storage and file management, saving files on cloud platforms like Google Drive and Dropbox. Starting might feel overwhelming, but here are some practical tips to make it easy. Start small, that is, focus on small skills at a time, like setting up an email account. Practice regularly. The more you use these tools, the more comfortable you become. You want to also try to take up some online courses. Platforms like YouTube, Coursera, and Khan Academy have beginner-friendly tutorials that can help you. You will also want to seek help or ask for help. Don't hesitate to reach out to tech-savvy friends and families. There are tons of free and affordable resources online that can help you to learn at your own pace. You want to check Coursera, YouTube, LinkedIn Learning. Yes, LinkedIn Learning. That one focuses on the workspace. And that's it for today. Remember, learning digital skill is a journey, not a race. Start where you are, use the resources available, and keep practicing. If you found this video helpful, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.